देखिए precautions, what are the precautions necessary while estimating national income through income method, through expenditure method. Through expenditure method. That means which cautions we have to take when we measure the income of a country through expenditure method. So when we use expenditure method, what are the precautions necessary? किन चीजों का हमें एहतियात करना है, होश रखना है, ख्याल रखना है कि these expenditures are included and these are not included. That is do's and do nots. Which expenditures we can include in GDP and which expenditures we cannot. Oh, following, you write down following precautions are necessary for expenditure method. For expenditure method, we have to take following precautions. Number first of लिख लीजिए. Number first, only final expenditure on goods or services is included in the national income. Only final expenditure on goods or services should be included in GDP or national income. So only final expenditure is to be taken into account to avoid double counting. Final expenditure is to be interpreted as expenditure on final goods on services. It is expenditure on final goods and services. Expenditure on final goods and services. That is expenditure on final goods and services. That is expenditure on final goods and services should be included, but expenditure on intermediate goods, expenditure on that is intermediate consumption, expenditure on intermediate goods
and services,
goods should not be included. These are two types of goods: intermediate goods and final goods. Expenditure on final goods should be included, but expenditure on intermediate goods should not be included to avoid the double count. Second of लिख लीजिए, the expenditure on purchase of second-hand goods. What we spend on the purchase of second-hand goods. Expenditure on purchase of second-hand goods. Second-hand goods should not be included. Should not be included in national income. Should not be included in national income. So expenditure on second-hand goods should not be included. Okay, should not be included because value of second-hand goods has already been included in the national income of that year. मैंने आपको बताया अगर एक कार है, it has been manufactured in 2019 and sold for 3 lakh rupees. This expenditure on car or sale of this car, the price of this car has been included in the GDP of 2019. If this car is sold from A to B as second-hand good for 2 lakh rupees, it will not be included in 2020. because it has already been included. ये already वहाँ include इसका हो चुका है, इसका जो value है that has already been included in the national income of that year, that previous year. It cannot be included in the national income of this year, current year. Next is expenditure on purchase of shares. Purchase of shares and bonds should not be
included.
Yes, it is financial because it is simply financial transaction. Should not be included in the national income, should not be included in national income of a country. National income. Why? Why? Because shares and bonds, they are mere paper claims. They are mere paper claims, and they are not final goods or concrete goods. Expenditures do not cause any value addition. So,
value addition.
Because yes, because they are mere, simply mere paper claims. Paper claim. Yes. These are not. It is not production of goods and services. Yes. Number 4 is expenditure
on transfer.
On transfer payments. On transfer payments by government or even by private sector. Private sector also gives transfer payments. For example, आप ब्याज देती हो, charity, that is transfer payment. Expenditure on transfer payments by government and private sector, even private sector should not be included. Should not be included. That should not be included in GDP. ये भी GDP में ये include नहीं होता. Okay.
Sir.
Also, imputed value or estimated value of expenditure on goods produced for self-consumption should be taken into account. The estimated value of expenditure on goods produced for self-consumption, as these goods are reflected in the estimation of GDP. Also, imputed rent on owner occupied house should also be, that is, estimated value of self-produced and consumed goods. Self-produced and self-consumed goods.
Produced and
consumed goods should be included. Should be included in GDP. इसी तरह estimated rent of self-occupied building. Self-occupied building should also be included in GDP. So these are some precautions which we must take into account while estimating national income through expenditure
method.
Okay. अब एक चीज हमें इनकम मेथड के दिन थोड़ा हमें रह गया, कौन सी डिफिकल्टीज और प्रॉब्लम्स हम फेस करते हैं इन द इनकम मेथड, which are the difficulties and problems which we face in the income method when we estimate the income of any sector. कौन सी प्रॉब्लम्स हम फेस करते हैं, which are the problems which we face while calculating income country through income method. ये हो गया?
Yes sir.
लीजिए. What are the problems or difficulties problems or difficulties
Income method.
faced in income method, or
Method.
while calculating national income of a country through income method, or what are the problems faced while estimating national income of a country through income method. आपको किसी सेक्टर या किसी प्रोड्यूसिंग यूनिट या किसी एरिया का इनकम कैलकुलेट करना है, आपको कौन सी प्रॉब्लम आती है, किस किस सेक्टर में कौन सी प्रॉब्लम आती है जब हम इनकम मेथड यूज करते हैं। आप लिखिए फॉलोइंग डिफिकल्टीज और प्रॉब्लम्स और faced through income method, or problems or faced in income method, income
Method.
Number first topic, first problem क्या है? It is difficult to distinguish between wage income and non-wage income. It is difficult
Between.
तो डिस्टिंग्विश, इसमें फर्क करना है, वेज इनकम कौन सा है, नॉन वेज इनकम कौन सा है। डिस्टिंग्विश बिटवीन वेज इनकम एंड नॉन वेज इनकम, इसमें फर्क करना मुश्किल है। नॉन वेज इनकम कौन सा है और वेज इनकम कौन सा है। Number second, it is difficult to determine the income of, to know the income of self-employed persons, those persons whose income we call mixed income, self-employed persons. For example, there are lawyers, there are doctors who are self-employed, privately working, not in the government sector. Government sector में तो पता है हमें ये इतनी सैलरी है इसकी, तो जब हम nobody knows how much an educated earns or how much a doctor earns at the clinic, कोई नहीं जानता है ना। It is difficult,
yes sir,
to know the income of self-employed persons. Self-employed persons like advocates,
Doctor.
yes, doctors, इसी तरह engineers who are working in the private capacity, engineers etc. प्राइवेट इंजीनियर्स है ना, प्राइवेट जो काम करते हैं, जो गवर्नमेंट में या किसी फर्म में या किसी कंपनी में काम नहीं करते हैं, जो अपना काम खुद चलाते हैं। Number next is, it is difficult to estimate the undistributed profit of companies. ये मुश्किल है, because companies hide their accounts. They do not give real picture, real figures of their profit. कितना प्रॉफिट उन्होंने अनडिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया है, जो उन्होंने कंपनी में है, रिटेन्ड अर्निंग रखा है। It is difficult. It is difficult to estimate or know the undistributed profit of companies or corporations, companies, because in some cases the companies maintain secret accounts. Secret account to avoid the tax evasion, tax चोरी के लिए वो क्या करते हैं, वो रियल पिक्चर, रियल फिगर गवर्नमेंट को नहीं देते, because this undistributed profit is, it is liable for imposition of tax. इस पे टैक्स लगता है ना, तो गवर्नमेंट इम्पोज टैक्स ऑन अनडिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड प्रॉफिट व्हिच इज कॉल्ड कॉर्पोरेट टैक्स. So that is why companies hired their estimate, their figures of undistributed profit. Number 4, it is difficult to give the value to the compensation given to the armed forces. Yes.
Armed force.
Yes. Armed forces को कितनी compensation, कितनी मुराद, कितने मतलब benefits, privileges दिए जाते हैं. It is difficult to give the value to the compensation paid to armed forces, paid to armed forces. Number 5th, the dividend between two corporate bodies are not included in national income. एक डिफिकल्टी ये भी है, कभी कभी पर्सनस होते हैं, ये एक कंपनी है, इसके पार्टनर हैं ए बी सी डी, तो जो प्रॉफिट है वो उनके दरमियान डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होता है या कुछ अनडिस्ट्रीब्यूट भी रखते हैं. कभी ऐसी भी सिचुएशन है, दो कंपनी एक्स एंड कंपनी वाई गो फॉर एन एडवेंचर, वो एक तीसरी कंपनी बनाते हैं जिसमें ये पार्टनर है, कंपनी ए पार्टनर एंड कंपनी बी इज पार्टनर. वो कंपनी फॉर एग्जांपल ज़ड बनाते हैं विच इज रन बाय एक्स एंड वाई. जो इनके दरमियान प्रॉफिट है वो पता नहीं चलता है कि उन्होंने हाउ मच प्रॉफिट दीज कंपनीज हैव क्रिएटेड और अर्नड फ्रॉम दिस ज़ड कंपनी. यस, ये इट इज डिफिकल्ट टू नो द dividend between the corporate bodies. It is difficult to estimate or to know the dividend between two corporate bodies, which is not included in national income. It is difficult to know the dividend between two corporate bodies because it is not included in national income.
National income.
Yes, ये national income में include नहीं होता है. So this is all about the precautions of expenditure method and the problems and difficulties faced in income method. Yes.
Yes sir.
इस तरह हमारा ये चैप्टर क्लियर हो गया. अब रह गया हमें सर्कुलर फ्लो ऑफ इनकम. ओके, यस, सर्कुलर फ्लो ऑफ इनकम हमारा इसमें है. इसमें था ये concept of GDP, GNP, NDP, NNP. Yes, at market price and factor cost, national disposable income, gross and net, private income, personal disposable income. ये सारा हो गया. Measurement of national income, value added method, income method and expenditure method. अब एक इस चैप्टर में रह गया, that is circular flow of income. Yes, इंशाल्लाह वो हम कल उठाएंगे और हमारा ये टॉपिक क्लियर हो जाएगा. ओके, circular flow of income. ओके,
So the teacher give me time class.
कल संडे है ना?
Yes sir.
अब कंटिन्यूअसली इसी टाइम क्लास होगा बिकॉज आई एम टेकिंग योर क्लास हियर एट द इंस्टीट्यूशन. ठीक है, 12 बजे.
ठीक है सर.
ओके.